What's up, guys? Uh, Dude, they fucking. Do you guys see this? TradingView updated their dark color scheme. It looks ugly as fuck now. Oh, I'm so tilted. Hold on, this is important. Uh, you can change the colors of the chart. I don't want to change the colors of the chart. I want to change the theme colors. It's not the same, but thank you. If you look on Reddit, the subreddit has some complaints about this too. I mean, it's not a big deal. It's just fucking annoying, dude. I don't know why they would do this. Okay. Anyway, I bought some Square. This is now called XYZ, I guess, instead of SQ, some block, because the block ticker is taken. I bought Baba yesterday. I bought more Baba today. I bought a shit ton of Baba. I was even thinking about opening up some options because this thing is so slow, but whatever. Not maybe another time. I bought some Futu today on the dip. I bought Net yesterday. I stopped out of. I got shaken out of these shortly after stream ended because they undercut this low. I was like, fuck it. I think space is kind of. I think I'm wrong about space now because look at all the news is getting sold, right? You guys see this? Planet Labs got news today. Um, what else happened in Bl Black Sky got news yesterday, right? And it got yeeted. Spear is yeah, it's not looking so good. Anyway, yeah, this is price. Anyway, maybe in due time or with FOMC, but right now I don't really love space anymore. These are getting bids. I didn't take it, but it's not bad. It's 2 days, right, on this level. Lock low, 2 days at this level. I don't know. I don't. I'm kind of spooked by this. So Baba and China, pretty high conviction. Obviously, I read it from here still. Uh, yeah, these are looking good. Cloudflare, so Net and Baba, I guess together. I don't know. If Net dips some more, I might add some more to like 132s, but I don't know. A lot of these software names are giving you another chance today, but well, they're showing you which ones are the strong ones, I guess. Like D-Dog, weaker, right? Twilio is really strong. I should probably be in this, but I don't want to. I don't know. This is buyback. Baba also has a buyback, I think. Yeah, now everyone's finding out about it. Where's the buyback on the buyback news on this? Sun Art. Right. Let me just Google it. Jan 3rd. Let's go. Anyway, something to watch for. Like Twilio's got that buyback. It's pretty good. Anyway, these are like slower names than I'm usually in, but these are the names I have confidence in, I guess, right now. Well, not that I particularly like Square, but it looks decent, I guess. So probably gonna take a little longer to get out of the drawdown this time with these slower names. Baba earnings are Feb 5th. Yeah, it's not. It says TradingView says today. I don't think that's wrong. I don't think that's right. I'm probably gonna take some off by Friday. So Hong Kong markets are closed for Chinese New Year until today, tomorrow, and Friday. They reopen Monday, and I'm assuming. I mean, I'm not assuming. I suspect that there might be profit takers on, the return on reopen. So I kind of want to sell some before that on Friday. But I have a massive position, dude. I have I doubled my position on this dip, so I averaged up to like 95.50s, and just because it's so slow moving, so I'm gonna try to sell like probably at least a third by Friday. Maybe start trimming tomorrow because I think it breaks this 102 level. Oh yeah, Tem. I got shaken out of Tem yesterday. I was just like, fuck it, and I'm glad I didn't try it again. I cut it shortly after stream yesterday. I got shaken out of this, Rocket Lab, and Lunar. Like I mentioned this earlier, but like I think I don't feel too bad about this. I'm willing to rebuy these higher. Because so far, like, as I was saying, like Space has been sell the news as well as selling these pops, even though it's surfing the 10-day. I don't know. I kind of want like fresh ideas, right? So software is a fresh idea, right? Even though Reddit isn't, I don't know how much Reddit's going to benefit from AI, but like Square is like, or Block, excuse me, financial services, sort of like fintech, right? Anyway, China and yeah, net's gonna benefit. Like this like so this is kind of scary. I was feeling like maybe I shouldn't be along this, but because it's up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 days in a row. Today's the first down day, right? But I consider yes Monday basically an EP, right? So I don't know. There's some other things that are strong that I'm not gonna buy probably like uh Brinker is Chili's and Maggi. I don't know what the fuck Maggiano's is. Ooh, GDS. It's 26. Anyway, what else has been strong? XPEV, I'm stalking this, I guess. Uh, LX, oh wow. That's too thin. Yeah, like all these big caps I'm trying to get into maybe at some point, maybe with like a yen trade soon. Tiger I'm watching, but I don't really care for this one. I'd rather be in Futu, which I'm already in. Uh, oh wow, this got, never mind, it's still a broken chart. Some of the other software names, I'm probably not going to trade Netflix, but this looks really strong. Yeah, DJT got some news, but it's kind of bullshit. But yeah, I just I don't have too much confidence going into some of these. I don't have too much confidence in some of these older themes anymore. But yeah, like a lot of like what the fuck, dude? Oh, this is the sale one. Yeah. But what else was I gonna say? Yeah, like Cruises got a bid right on the CC on pretty sure it was RCL. RCL earnings, right? Oh wow, this is definitely okay. So this is the only one that's really cracked its pandemic highs, pre-pandemic highs. This is interesting. But yeah, it's not super exciting names, right? Like Walmart is strong. Like whatever. Is Costco strong? Oh, sorry. Let me catch up on the chat. I have similar ideas to use options on these lower than 3% ADR megacasts to devote less on my account. Is it my idea is to list three calls? They call cost less by doing a call spread. Um, yeah, no, I don't know how that works really. I'm not an options guy. I started looking into it a little bit just 'cause yeah, to for Baba, but like basically I think you want to stick to really liquid options, right? Like I think Baba has pretty liquid options, right? Like stuff like that, and also really like liquid options with a tight spread. And from what I've like looked into, yeah, maybe getting like a few different strikes at not weeklies, like play stuff like 3 to 6 weeks out or something, so you have some room, right? So yeah, I might. I'm not gonna do that yet, but I'm thinking of maybe on the next leg up for Baba, because if it's as I suspect, I think China has bottomed. This is like a long enough base, like right, like fucking 3 year base. Then there should be another leg up where I can maybe do a little bit of options. But I looked into like Futu options for example, like this market is too thin, right? Baba options are like I was looking at like the 100, 105, 110 strikes, the monthlies for February. Like these are fairly liquid, right? I think. At least as far as I know. Anyway, regardless, you should do really small size at first, yeah. Come on. This is a really good base though. I like this. This is also like a 3 year base. Yeah, the other way to think about options is you just like, let that whole thing ride to zero, like take really small size. I don't, but again, I wouldn't. I'm not going to devote too much energy or time to this. Oh damn, this one really got annihilated. Some are. Oh right, I forgot to set alerts on these. Uh, okay. I'm not going to trade this. Probably this is too thin, but I like the idea. MP. Yeah, this is the China materials ban idea, but I don't know. Hey, apparently Hims has a shit ton of short interest. I didn't realize this, but people hate this company. Oh, yeah, yeah, okay. So I also was looking at real estate. Real estate got some bids again. There was a Comp and Zillow. Compass and Zillow, right? These are getting bid up a little bit. So maybe this trade is back on. The real estate like services, the weeklies, this pulled back to the 20 weekly, same as it did back in October, right? Compass, similar idea, except it's a deeper pullback to this retest this level, and it got bought up again on on Outlook. Oh yeah, Kava. Okay, yeah, maybe time to re-add this to 3. I'll re-add this here. Where's Sweet Green doing? Sweet Green, I'll just re-add these for now. Chipotle is yeah, I don't know. I'm not gonna add this. Yeah, I'm probably not gonna trade this fast casual or restaurant stuff, but I'm watching. I saw home builders had caught a bid. I don't know how much I want to invest in this though. How much time? Options, it's basically really expensive leverage with more variables to juggle like the spread, implied volatility. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, I agree. It's as long as it's liquid enough, I might give it a shot. But like for now, I'm just sticking to putting huge size and just levering up on Baba for now. Damn, dude, this is so. Look at the volume on the 10-minute chart. This is crazy. Was 10 cent? Oh yeah, see this recovered all the losses from alleged military ties. Okay, dude, who cares? QFIN highs. All right, let's go back to. Oh, this is a blockchain name. This is really thin, but it's another blockchain name. I don't know why this is getting bids. It's too thin to trade. Hmm. Well, I'm down on this already. What the fuck? Oh well. It's all good. Look at this bait, dude. I almost bought this on the break of this 30 level right here. I was like, no, it's bait. It's bait. It's just gonna be in this fucking range. Ugh. Look at this fucking bait too. Jesus Christ, dude. FOMC day. Just get you baited into things. Oh, what's up, Burr? Oh, yo, dude, where are you at now? I know, or did you? I take it you're not in Topanga. Wait, are you the one that lives in Topanga, or am I misremembering? Oh, right, you're Bognaw. Yeah, okay, you're the one. Okay, yeah, my bad. Yo, yeah. So where are you staying now? I'm assuming you dipped. Or are you guys back? Oh, yeah, my bad. I got you guys confused for a second because of the bees. Damn, you st ballsy. But your house is all good, I'm assuming. Like I know Topanga didn't completely. It's not like the Palisades, but still pretty scary. And yeah, thoughts on crypto? I don't know, man. I'm not trying to long crypto right now. It was looking good like here, and then yeah, after the sell-off, it kind of feels like this needs like a bigger W shape. You get what I'm saying? Like I kind of feel like it retests. We'll see, but I don't know. The other thing is, nice, good to hear though. But dude, I imagine it like it must the skies must have been entirely full of smoke for you, right? Like you're just like this like fucking apocalyptic ass look, right? It's like Jesus fucking Christ. I was at the um I was at the Hammer Museum in Westwood that Tuesday when all the shit started going down, and I came out of the museum and just like looked outside and it's like what the fuck? Nice, good on you. Yeah, I did a little volunteering, yeah. Not near the fires in some like some of the some of the evacuee and food distribution centers. Fuck. Anyway, the amount of institutional investment in BTC, do you think it's going to remain bullish? I don't know, man. I did see some tweet on how there were a lot of like new whales coming into Bitcoin and stuff. It's just like right. So look at all this news here. Uh, the crypto working group, right? They're trying to do another fucking like El Salvador shit. The problem is though, like with like the Trump coin and the Melania coin, that kind of felt like a euphoric blow off top, didn't it, for like the crypto space overall? And you can see like yeah, Bitcoin is returning to dominance. Like alt season is done. Uh, look at all these. So the only thing like is strong in alts is like Ripple, right? Even Solana is kind of pulling back some. Cardano, right? Like I don't know, still like some of these are still okay, but for the most part, like yeah, the spec money is kind of going away. This is people losing their life savings on like yeah. So I don't know. I feel like this needs a bigger base, is all I'm saying. Like maybe yeah, like kind of feels like we're here. Does that make sense? Like see we're like here. This one needs to kind of like break down on the weekly a little bit. Right? Like it feels like we're here. Let's see, what are my positions doing? They're chilling. Strong stuff is strong, guys. Are there any cryptos worth looking at that are better than BTC? I've been so jaded on crypto, I haven't scanned in a while. Well, no, it's Bitcoin is the gold standard, right? But the big challenger is Solana. Solana is what the Melania. So this pump right here, I believe this was related to the Trump coin and Melania coin because Solana made it really easy for anyone to launch a shitcoin on chain. So this is like the ETH killer, so to speak, right? And lately it's been stronger than Ethereum. The other one is XRP is Ripple, and I don't actually know why Ripple. Does anyone? I think I looked into this. Why did Ripple get a bunch of bids again? It's because of some like legal thing, right? Some legal ruling that changed. Some lawsuit was dropped, right? Yeah, yeah, they beat a case. Yeah, something like that. But this is really strong, obviously. I was thinking about buying it here, but whatever, I don't really care. I have so little in my crypto account now compared to my main account. Anyway, I'm not really looking to trade any crypto names yet. Like MicroStrategy needs a new base. Like, see, this is a proper base, right? And if you miss this move, like I did, I sold. I talked about this on stream before, but I sold all my MicroStrategy either here or here. One of these red candles I sold it. I forget which. And it was just a dumbass fucking decision. It's above the 10-day. There's no reason to sell, dude. Jesus fucking Christ. Ripple has liquidation candles? What do you mean? Oh, you mean like here? 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 Yeah, I guess so. I mean, that's just crypto overall, right? People like to go leveraged into this. It looks like SPY is kind of dying. This is normal though. Volatility is dead still. Yeah, I wouldn't get too retarded long right now, I guess is what I mean. Net gas, good. But look at this. Yields are down, right? This is supposed to be good for stocks. I've been trying to watch this a little bit more. Yields rejected. Trying to hit 5. Trump, dollar's too strong. No work. Look at Brett though. This is what keeps me really bullish. Like MMFI, the percentage of stocks above the 100-day, right? These like Brett has been so strong. Like despite obviously the DeepSeek crash. Yeah, 2.5 hours. I might cut the stream before then, in case I have to panic and cut all my positions or something. I don't want to do that live on stream. I'm gonna hopefully not do that, but I've done that before. I really hope this can trend. I'm really into this chart, this long term. It's a Palantir. This needs another setup, honestly. But you wanted to ask me what I think about the actual setup of Rocket Lab. I was talking to the traders, and I place a lot of emphasis on the actual setup these days, but they are arguing it's up too much and too wide and loose. Yeah, so I kind of agree with that. Well, not the Yeah, it's not the same as it was like here when I was shilling the fuck out of Rocket Lab. And then even here, this is tighter, right? Even this is pretty tight, and then this is tight-ish, right? And then yeah, I don't know. I just think for me it's the fact that it got sold, right? So the okay, so this lunar news caused the space sector to push a bit, right? I'm gonna make it, and it got sold, right? I talked about this already, but I'm just gonna go over it again. Today, Planet Labs got sold. Black Sky yesterday got sold. Every single news is getting sold. Okay. RDW, there's a price increase, but it got sold nonetheless. And I don't know. It needs some more momentum because all it got, the only real news, like so, okay, so the only real like Trump news was that he mentioned going to Mars, and then I interpreted this yesterday, this rejection and this big sell-off. I think Schumer made some comments about Trump not being able to freeze funding, and that might be interpreted as like he won't be able to direct funds to space either, but I'm not entirely sure. So the good thing is that, right, this is SpaceX. So Rocket Lab has some more news in the pipeline. Rocket Lab has their Neutron rocket, right, the bigger one. So what they've been launching so far is a smaller Electron rocket, and then they're making a bigger reusable medium-sized rocket or partially reusable. Right. Lunar obviously has their second moon mission, IM-2, right, to supposed to be launched February 26th. So you can watch for a run up there. This is what happened last time. It ran up, right? RDW has I don't know, this is a small cap actually. But yeah, I haven't looked into too much of this one. It's just this equipment, right? Oh, they don't actually make rockets. No, they don't. Rocket Lab does everything. Lunar only does rockets. PL does yeah, I don't think they make they do they make satellites, right? Yeah. Anyway, I just don't think the sector has is behaving well enough for me to be super excited. I'm probably gonna skip the setups. Or you know what? We'll see when it comes to it. I probably won't. If it like let's say Rocket Lab or Lunar gets more news and it gaps up like into the 30s, like Rocket Lab in the 30s, I'll probably still buy it to be honest. But every time it hits resistance, it's getting sold, dude. Granted, it's just chopping in here. But on the contrary, there's a lot of good news flow coming, I guess. But you know what? Maybe it'll like sell off into February, shake everyone out, and then we get a better setup. But I basically sold my Rocket Lab at Lowe's here. It's whatever. Yeah, I don't like Joby, dude, but good luck with that, I guess. These, I kind of I know what you see, but like, no, it's just too wide and loose. This needs more news. Like the only things I'm really excited about are software and China right now. Right, software slash cybersecurity and cloud, all that stuff. Everything else I kind of want to dump. And even then, some of these software names are I don't know, they're not that good. It shouldn't be doing this. We should. So what I would do is I would. Okay, no, let's do that now. You know what? No, I'm like the only one that I might want. I think CrowdStrike, right? This is the next best one. Is there a better one than CrowdStrike? That besides Net, obviously, which I'm in. God, app still looks so good. I got fucking hell, dude. I probably like lost. I don't know. I lost at least like 3% of my account on apps, like trading it. Like, yeah, Jesus fucking Christ. I had some size on this. Not gonna lie. Probably 2 to 3% of my account on this. Ugh. Because every time I think I tried it here too. Yeah, like okay, between like I got chopped up by app like here, probably here. Probably lost like 4% of my account on this, honestly. So if you count back to December, so bullshit. What do you think about my friend? Okay, wait. My friend who doesn't trade literally just texted me about buying XRP. Yeah, it's never a good feeling. What do you think about a dip buying opportunity in Nvidia semis, SMR Aqua that trade? It was oversold. Are they going away? Was it overreacting? I think the only thing I would want to trade is like Aqua or NNE, but look at that, they're getting sold today. But it is FOMC today, so I don't know. I don't like anything else. Nvidia, I was eyeing for a short, honestly. If like the MAs can catch up, or if I could short it off 130 maybe. I think semis are done, dude, for a while. I just hope it doesn't drag the market down, because like, look at this, dude. Look at this monthly, weekly, right? What does this remind you of? The failed breakout, right? Retest, tries again, and fails again. Spectacularly, right? Like, it's just, like, I don't know. It's to me, yeah, to me, this is cooked. It reminds me of, there's a couple good ones, right? Arc, big base breakdown, right? This distribution. Tan, right? This is another good one. Big base here, tries to break out, fucking dies spectacularly. Every time it tries, it stops. I think that, yeah, obviously crypto, well, we can go to, okay, we can go to, yeah, this is less obvious of a one. Never mind. But, maybe China would show it. This is also less obvious. But anyway, those, ARC and, yeah, those are good examples. ARC and solar. Because, like, for a long time, it's like semis. Oh, are we, is it just basing and, are we going to catch up again? Or is it just a laggard, right? And you can look at, like, some of these weekly candles, some of these daily candles. The thing is, NVIDIA didn't really have a high volume sell, right? See how the volume was just decreasing, right? On the weekly, it didn't have a high volume sell until here. But anything can happen. I don't know, man. It's 50 weekly. It's finding support on the 200 day. I would just avoid semis long side personally, as well as the data center names like data center and AI infrastructure. names, like data infrastructure names. I don't know. Everyone was so bullish on some of this stuff. Like, what was the one that everyone liked too? Like Embis, which I did like too. But like, yeah, it's all this shit is no good. AAOI. Oh damn, this is getting wrecked. This is also, yeah, AI infrastructure, right? It's they do like the connectivity stuff for for AI. Lumen, right? Like shit, man. Uh, I don't know. If you trade a semi, maybe trade this one, HIMX. But even then, like hourly pops are getting sold. Yeah. No, I just look at just find it's new. It's time for new ideas, right? Oh, okay, yeah. This is what I was gonna say. The other thing about semis, right, and any sector in general is look at like inauguration day or the election. Sorry, the election to inauguration day, right? Like this was the election, right? Tuesday, right here. And it didn't do anything. Whereas stuff like software, so this is equal weighted, I believe. I believe XXW is equal weighted. IGV is market cap weighted. This one's more liquid. But yeah, from the election, right? Went on a big rally, came back to test that, briefly undercut this gap, but held this fucking gap, right? Do you guys see this? Right? On the equal weighted, it even better. It held this gap, and now it's forming like this flag on the weekly, right? It looks really good. So and it's got the better narrative, right? Okay. China tariff can be a danger on the China story. Yeah, so that's a thing. I would just say try to trade price action, but here's okay. So right, Trump. This was the news. Trump considers 10% tariff on China from next month on first full day trans. Right. So this is like he was talking about 60% around the election and after the election, right? That's what he was saying. He was saying 60%, and now it's 10%. Well, shit got sold around into the election, right? Around here. So China was trying to flag into October, right? It was trying to a little bit. And then see, right, it even tried to break out on election day on the idea that Kamala Harris might win and there might be no tariffs. It tried here on stimulus too. Anyway, then we had the bad stimmy, sorry, the negative narrative around less stimulus than expected, right? And the Trump stuff, right? Anyway, then more stimmy news got sold. Came back to retest, undercut this level on FXI, right? Queb, similar story, came back to retest this like 27s. Excuse me. HSI, similar story. Let's go with the official one. Is this a level? It was kind of a level. But anyway, broke down, right? Tried again. Now, this is closed until Monday, okay, remember. But yeah, we're right at this level. And yeah, so like sentiment was really low. Sentiment was super low, right? But nevertheless, on inauguration day, uh, right, we gapped up, and then like this kind of flag. Like this was actually the better day to buy Baba, not, but whatever. Right? You see like this little range it made. You can say that's like a range almost, that level. And even though news flow sentiment was really shitty, China started rallying. And yeah, and here we are. This might need a few more days, but for now I got some on the dip. Uh, Everything is setting up. A lot of things had double bottoms, right? What's the difference between this pop and the last pops, right? Every time it popped before, it sold back off down here. This time it's holding here. I don't know. Might be worth watching, right? And the strong names are still making highs. I'm not in them though. Like QFin, KC, some of the thinner ones like LX, YMM. I'm not gonna trade this. This is too choppy. Yeah, the DeepSeek EP and the Quen EP, like it's just a lot of, you know, and in particular, like this is what really excites me. This is I do you guys think this is retail? I don't think this is retail. Retail's not deploying like how much, like what yesterday, $3 billion into Baba, right? This feels like institutional buying. Today, even higher volume. Look at the increase in volume, right? Space stuff has no revenue. It can't last till next year. Yeah, I just don't know. Oh yeah, see, look, as we speak, Lunar's getting sold again, right? All these pops getting sold. I didn't sell any into the pops here. Like I was just like holding for a bounce, and then I sort of anyway, whatever. I didn't sell any Rocket Lab either because it held this level on Friday. I was like, oh, maybe it can hold 30s, and now it's resistance and it's breaking back down. See, you guys see what I mean? Now we're losing this level too, this 28s. It's not really exciting. And again, it's an older theme, right? It's rotation time. Anyway, it's food for thought, guys. We'll see what happens after FOMC, I guess. Damn, this shit got really now all the way back to flat. Fubo doesn't look too bad. It kind of sold off hard, but if you look at the weekly, right? Yeah, it's not bad. And I believe it did actually. No, it didn't test this level yet. Maybe it needs to retest 320s. You like Affirm here. I haven't heard. What's Affirm doing? If by some miracle we get a cut, yeah, I guess you can long Affirm. It retested this level. No, you're right. This isn't bad. It's pretty loose, but you got the 100-day. I don't think you need to rush into this. I think like you can wait for a reaction and maybe it sets up here. But yeah, it's respecting the levels. It's holding above the 50, right? It's not bad. You're right. What's Upstart doing? Same with Upstart. It held this level here. Yeah, not bad. Canada got 25 basis point cut. Was it expected though? Forecast actual, right? It was expected. Travel and leisure theme also looking good. Not sure why it's bullish. Yeah, discretion. I don't know. It's a good point. Because like macro wise, this doesn't really make a lot of sense. I mean, no, sorry. I haven't looked too deep into it, but I just know that uh, credit card debt is like defaults are on the rise and stuff like that. It might be double topping. Who knows? But yeah, all these cruise lines, obviously. What are the other ones? You're just talking about restaurants? Airlines said there's been more demand for travel, been showing in the charts. Yeah, I know Jets has been rallying. I haven't really caught this trade or anything. But what's the LCC? Yeah, this is the fast one, but this is too thin. Uh, Hawaiian Airlines. Oh, is Hawaiian Airlines got sold? Hawaiian Airlines got sold, right? Alaska Air, Delta. Yeah, they got sold, I believe. Anyway, yeah, I'm not gonna trade airlines, I think. I know Chris likes to trade jets for some reason, but whatever. Save, what's Spirit doing? Damn. Man, I was short this. I should have just held the short. I don't know if it was an expensive short or not, but I was short this somewhere like around here. I don't even remember, but I was short this in the, for sure around, yeah, in like before, or maybe it was here. Yeah, I know the cruise lines are strong. I talked about that earlier. Guess people are doing cruises again. Oh wow, this is great actually. That's fine. Come on, need to make a higher low intraday. Yeah, sold on earnings. Yep. Meanwhile, look at these cloud software SaaS names, right? These are like, e-commerce, software as a service. Like Amazon is not just e-commerce, right? It's also SaaS, AWS, right? Uh, oh yeah, yeah, I was gonna, oh shit. Fucking Christ, get wrecked. We can just, let's remove this one. Let's remove some of these. Damn. Oh, whatever happened to what's that one stock? The oh yeah, Jets and ETF, the way Chris thinks that you can size bigger because ETF is less bankruptcy risk. Yeah, that's true. Yeah, I know XPEV is strong. XPEV is strong. But what's the name I'm thinking about? Do you guys remember the Root? Root. What's Root doing? Let's re-add this. This doesn't look bad. Needs 89.92 and this level, I guess. I was long Root up until here. Oh God. Yeah, this doesn't look that bad. It's insurance. Not insurance is not trending. What's the financial services ETF? No, this is India. Obviously, XLF overall is really strong. Yeah, because I think they're gonna benefit from AI, right? Like I don't know, you gonna call someone or oh, that's not what I was looking for. Oops, I was gonna see. You're gonna call someone to like I don't know, manage your bank account or manage your portfolio or something, right? And that's gonna get what you can probably just talk to a chatbot instead, right? Hmm. This is really thin. I don't think I can trade this without a liquidity event, but I was looking into this a little bit. It's not horrible, I guess. Right, so they have a pretty good treatment for diabetes, which might disrupt the idea is it would disrupt like Eli Lilly and stuff. But I'm probably still not going to trade it. But they have, it's also really high short interest, yeah. But I don't know. What was the BBIO news on January 13th? Okay, whatever. Let's just put this here. Um, yeah, this is strong. I forget what this does again. This is, yeah, healthcare and cloud. You know what? Let's promote this to 2 for now. Oh, so this also got a boost from the AI stuff, right? Jan 24, it probably got some news? No? No? Okay, just broke out here. Sold off on AI, on NVIDIA stuff, but yeah, anyway, it's getting bought up. Um, Docs is strong, right? Telehealth also has potential to benefit from there. This is the everyone's favorite grindy healthcare stock. Oh, interesting. BioNTech. A lot of these are dead, huh? Failed breakout twice. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, some of these financial services, like this is a pretty important company for Latin America. Uh, yeah, but this looks like it's kind of topping. Let's get rid of this one. I mentioned things are too thin. Often, do you actually experience slippage and bad execution because of liquidity? Yeah, I do. That doesn't mean I won't take thin names sometimes. If it depends on how if I think there'll be volume or something, right? But yeah, I do. It's kind of annoying, but it's part of the game. Acro. I haven't heard that name in a while. Oh shit. I guess I will add this. This was an old leader, if you guys remember from this play. This is a really good breakout back in 2022. I missed it. Or wait, did I trade it? I think I traded it but sold it really quickly because I'm retarded. But whatever. Let's just add this. What happened? Mash. I know what Nash is. What's Mash though? January 27th. Cirrhosis. Isn't that just related to Nash? Okay, this is the one I want. I don't think I'm gonna trade it though. The one I was looking at is Summit though, but yeah, it's kind of thin. Schrodinger, yeah, I don't know. But yeah, I'll watch it. And then the other ones you sang were NTX. NTX. What? Uh, that's not a ticker. Wait. Uh, oh, this one. I had an alert on this. I'm just gonna set an alert for 175. I don't really like it. Its character is not that good, but right, it just kind of grinds. But I guess it kind of trended here. Yeah. Argen, I remember this name. I also don't like this name. It's too grindy. If I'm gonna trade biotechs, maybe I'll trade, I don't know. Oops. Like something like why can't it be something like crisp? Like this moved well off of like this EP, right? Like it has the potential to do things like this, right? I traded it here. It still doesn't move that clean, I guess. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, BNTX, I know. I haven't. I should set an alert or something. Maybe 127.50. Yeah. Yeah, bird flu, as far as I'm concerned, hasn't really been a big trade. There was one, I forget what it was, but there was one stock that had bird flu news, and it kind of got sold. What's happened to my BABA position? Yeah, whatever. Oh yeah, Twilio. I'd argue I had character change here, right? It's shown it can kind of trend. And it has a buyback now. Right? You got made probably 30%. Not horrible. I don't know. Hmm. Damn, this is a very bad sign for Oklo. The fuck? Okay, let's see how Tesla closes. This is sitting right on the weekly, and I sometimes I do AVWAP, very rarely, but yeah, from election, right? It caught some bids there. Makes a W shape, right? Ugh. I think we need the hourly MAs. Let's see if we can build a higher low here. Net looks like it made a higher low here. Futu, yeah. This is really strong though. Square, CLS, yeah, yeah. Fubo though, Let's just throw all these into three. What are the other ones that got wrecked? Mbiz, serve, yeah, this is dying too. Dude, Roblox is so strong. This is so silly. Yeah, it's probably gonna go to 100. Get lab, getting cooked today. A lot of chasers are probably underwater on these positions. Oh shit, Roblox calls. I guess that would have been a better way to play it. It's a 37% move. Anyway, I think I'm gonna call it, guys. I might stream after FLMC. We'll see. Maybe not, depending on how it goes. If I'm gonna cut all my positions and be tilted, I'm definitely not gonna stream. But I feel like this is the most. I feel like nothing's gonna happen, right? It's like everyone's expecting just a pause. Who knows? All right, later, guys. Yeah, you should ignore. I agree, but I couldn't help but take some. I still traded today, but whatever. All right, later, guys.